Well, the time is just gone 5:43 or 4:43 p.m. In South Africa, in Johannesburg, as we head towards the time of iftar on this beautiful day of Ramadan, which is the 7th of Ramadan. And we are just around under an hour and a half away from the time of iftar in Johannesburg. And you are tuned into the iftar drive with myself, Inayat Wadi. Still a lot to come on the show shortly. We will be joined by a senior journalist out of Islamabad in Pakistan, Qamar Yousafzai, and we will be talking about Pakistan. We are talking about the government and Supreme Court powers. We still have got the issue of Zimbabweans who are outraged by the Al Jazeera expose on the gold smuggling and the elite. We are talking about Thabo Mbeki blasting the ANC for wanting to protect Cyril Ramaphosa. And that will take us right through to the humanitarian hour and also Nasiha advice segment, building up to the time of iftar in the dua with Maulana Zulhijjah Melanzi this afternoon. So all of that still to come on the show this afternoon. But right now we're going across to Islamabad, to Pakistan, to be joined by senior journalist Qamar Yousafzai, and we are talking, and also the president of the Afghan International Forum of Journalists. Qamar, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the show.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Thank you very much.
Yes, Ramadan Mubarak to you, and we trust and hope you are enjoying a wonderful Ramadan, Brother Qamar.
Thank you. Same for you. Same for you. And same for all
Ameen,
the
Ameen,
other
Jazak.
people.
Yes, obviously, we are talking about Pakistan. We are talking about the government trying to clip the Supreme Court's powers. But a lot of late has been playing out in Pakistan. And just before we get to the bill that, is being presented in the National Assembly, and at this point in time, there is just so much happening in Pakistan, considering what has happened with Imran Khan, what is played out at Zaman Park, and then thereafter that march that had taken place in Lahore as well. So
Yeah.
this Ramadan, not a dull moment in Pakistani politics, Brother Kamar.
Yeah. Um, this is very important point. And now the situation in Pakistan, the political situation is very, very highly framed and particularly related to the Supreme Court and the National Assembly. And today, that bill has been passed by the Senate as well. So that reduce the powers of, the Supreme Chief Justice of Pakistan. So this is what is going on. As you talk about the Zaman Park and these protests is were going on, and mainly that was a lot of on Twitter, Imran Khan Twitter, and every PTI worker and leader that the government will arrest Imran Khan, and because of this they started some big protest. Further, they were just demanding for earlier election in the Pakistan. So these was the 2 points. Uh, so in these, if we are looking to these things after the breakup of the Punjab Assembly and the Punjab system, because this is largest populated province of the Pakistan, and its impact on National Assembly and provincial assemblies, all the Pakistan. So it's very important. And Lahore is the heart of Pakistan, and as well as the big city. After Karachi, this is the big city. But for the Punjab, this is the big one city, and Punjab is the bigger brother of all provinces. So, if I would say first of all, what the bill is that reduce the bill includes shifting the powers of taking summative notice from the Chief Justice to three members committee comprising senior judges. So that was in the bill, and in Senate today they passed by 60 lawmakers. They voted this bill, and 19 was against of this. So, but what is the situation and what the election what why this happened, Election Commission withdrawals the President of Pakistan. They ordered for the election in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa by April 30th, but the election commission given some reason and they changed the date, that is 8 October 2023. So that was few months gap, and they mentioned election commission the reasons that we don't have the budget, that sufficient budget, because all the world knows and that Pakistan is suffering with economic crisis. uh, Further, there is law and order situation is very poor, and the commission mentioned for the delay of election the reason that was that we don't have that particular security personals, so we have to fix these things. But the PTI, they went to the Supreme Court and they started this issue. After then, some summative action has been taken by the Supreme Court of Pakistan, the Chief Justice of Pakistan. So, but if we are thinking and we are looking to the common people of Pakistan, Imran Khan already spent time in government, 3 years and around about 3.5 years in government, but he didn't deliver some good result to the common people. While the other, if we are talking about the Muslim League Noon, and we are talking about the People's Party, they are the main big parties as well of Pakistan. They also spend time in the government, and they didn't deliver according to the need and according to the requirement of the common person. So if we are saying what is the change and what the PTI wants, PTI, this is very, with Islamic orders, what is the uh, Riyasat state of Medina? They are presenting the state of Medina, but what they are doing, the dancing and these and things, is not in this state of Medina. So the common people, they don't want these things. The common people wants the justice, the control of prices, because nowadays a common person is suffering with the high prices of the food, even the petrol, even everything is. This is very difficult for a common person, that he is managing their expenses or their lives. So this is the problem of Pakistan and Pakistanis. In other hand, as we are talking the bill, so this bill is very sensitive. If we are now the Nawaz Sharif, as he has been disqualified for whole life, and the Jangir Tareen, the PTI former leader of that, they have the right for appeal. So this is, we can say that this is a way for these two big leaders, is the government or the Senate or the National Assembly. They are giving a passage or a line or a way to include these leadership in the politics. So one thing we are looking to this, as per the concern of the PTI, so PTI, now they have, if they will go to the election, I think that they will not in that position as they were uh, past, because there is many things happened, and many the people became to know what is the reality. The second thing, now this is going on in the courts, and the case of the Imran Khan daughters. So this is also, these things has damaged the status of Imran Khan. But many people, the investors, they are investing and they are providing money, and the people are coming out because the people are, they need, the basic things, as I told you, the jobs are not available, so this is the reasons. So some people they are coming. The Zaman Park, in this case, the PTI, some leaders have paid a lot of for the to the people that come out from the home, and 1,000 per day they were paying. Many cases and many videos has come out, but Imran Khan, still Imran Khan having popularity in the masses, because not because that he is good leader, because the other leadership, Mr. Suppose Nawaz Sharif and company, and the Asif Zardari and People's Party, they already the people have seen and their government, so they are fed up of these people. That's why the people don't have another option, so they are looking to Imran Khan. This is the reason. Yes, please.
Yes, but also I think what is also important to understand is the relationship that the government has with the Supreme Court, because we've heard the government, obviously being very suspicious of the court and saying that it is the court that is creating political instability in the country.
Yeah, you are right. But in this case, is we are here. Some our friends they are covering the Supreme Court on daily basis, their stories and the reporting of the Supreme Court. So if the last day that there was our election of the National Press Club Islamabad, and I was talking with a senior my colleague of as he is covering the Supreme Court of Pakistan. He was saying that the justice of the Supreme Court, they are just supporting the Imran Khan, and even their families. The justice, some of the justice families, the wives and daughters, they are supporting Imran Khan. So this is also we can't say that the Supreme Court or the court is absolutely neutral in this case. This is what I'm telling you. That is from my that one friend, that from the morning to evening he is spending time in Supreme Court, and he is covering the Supreme Court stories for Delhi Jung. uh, Delhi Jung is the big newspaper of the Pakistan. So uh, these everything is also, we can't deny and we can't ignore these things. uh, Suppose I would say that if Supreme Court or the all the courts are sincere with the common people, just let me know how many hundred of thousand cases are pending, and the people are coming and they are giving a lot of money to the council for their cases, but they are for years and years they are pending, and they don't have any that the method or that the orders that they have, the lower courts, the high courts, and the Supreme Court, that they have to solve these cases as earlier as possible. So if we are looking to this, this is not only the judiciary problem, this is not only the political figures problem. I would say that the system problem is going on. There is the government now. Look, if we are saying about the government, there is 11 parties in their coalition government. The Jamiat Ulama Islam is also playing a part. The Awami National Party and Pakistan People's Party, Muslim League, Noon. These are the major parties in um, in collision. So, but they are failed because of the prices, law and order situation. This is, and if we are talking about the judiciary, so this system needs to be reformed, and this it's need a proper leadership. I think a sincere leadership. But in front of mine, as a neutral journalist, as I'm looking to Imran Khan, I'm looking to uh, the Pakistan People's Party, if I'm looking to the Nawaz Sharif Party, the Muslim League, Noon, if I'm looking to other parties, so I would say that there is no any a good privilege and good system for the common people, and the common people needs health, they need jobs, they need education, so, and they needs the justice particularly. So this is the thing is important, but in some way I would say that this sometime the lies like might is right. This will be break, and this will be not success for the government as well for judiciary for Imran Khan, but they have to think and they have to struggle for the common people. Yes, area.
Well, Brother Kamar, Jazakallah khairan so much for that and for unpacking so much this afternoon right here on the Iftar Drive on Salam Media. We do appreciate it. And, you've unpacked so much, Alhamdulillah, put the entire discussion into perspective. And we are certainly interested in following developments in Pakistan to see what actually materializes. So, from time to time, inshallah, we
Yes,
will definitely link up
I
with
love
you.
Salam Media. I like Salam Media, and I'm extremely sorry. Yesterday, I was busy in election process, and I'm also the president for Pak Afghan International Forum of Journalists. So I was busy, and that's why I'm very much sorry. Here we have a lot of our Afghan journalists, around about 200 families. We have the Afghan journalists, and we are look aftering them. So this is our, and I would request to Salam Media that please arrange one program for these our journalist colleagues. They are in very difficult situation. They are don't have some facilities from the government of Pakistan or from any other country or from any other international organization. So we, the people of Afghanistan and journalists of Afghanistan, we have a group and we are supporting by our from our own pockets and from our own what we have. So I would request to Salam Media, please help these people, these journalists, these colleagues. Thank you very much.
Well, inshallah, we certainly will do a program and we will do a follow up. And Jazakallah to you for highlighting that to us. So, inshallah, it is something that we will work towards and we will get in touch with you, Brother Qamar. And as always, we thank you for your time. We wish you well and we wish you well for the rest of the month of Ramadan as well. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all your efforts, inshallah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Qamar Yousafzai, senior journalist, joining us out of Islamabad in Pakistan this afternoon, which brings us straight on to 5 p.m. And we're going to go for a break. We come back. We still will be covering the issue of Zimbabweans who are outraged by the Al Jazeera expose on the gold smuggling elite. That has been a major, it's been a huge talking point. Also, Thabo Mbeki blasting the ANC for wanting to protect Cyril Ramaphosa. So, all of that in the next half hour, and that will be in the build up to the final half an hour of the show, which is our humanitarian hour, and also taking our Nasiha segment. And this afternoon, Maulana Zulhijjah Milanzi, who will provide the Nasiha and the Dua that will take us to the time of Iftar in Johannesburg.